गाइस थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ, वहाँ खड़े हो जाओ, बाहर आ जाएंगे।
चलो ठीक है, आ जाओ। बाय बाय। एक मिनट रम जरा झुक जा। हाँ यहाँ पे। अरे ये थोड़ा पीछे ले, ये थोड़ा पीछे। यहाँ पर थोड़ा सर हैप्पी बर्थडे सर, राइट साइड में हैप्पी बर्थडे सर, सेंटर इमरान सर यहाँ पे, इमरान सर हैप्पी बर्थडे। अरे जय इमरान सर सामने, यहाँ पे सर, यहाँ पर सामने स्ट्रेट। थैंक यू सर।
गए, इसने बहुत सारे माइलस्टोन तोड़े हैं 30 दिनों के अंदर अंदर। 285 million views, 4 million likes on YouTube। पहला इंडियन गाना जिसके 1 million रील्स हैं और जिसमें मेरा भी एक रील है बाय द वे। एंड fastest 100 million plus streams across all streaming platforms, entered Billboard Global US charts, ruling short video platforms like Takatak, has 500 plus views. Give it up for this track, guys. Come on, I want to hear you. Come on, थोड़ी ताली बजे, थोड़ा सा एनर्जी दे। Oh, इतना सैड, नॉट एट ऑल। यहाँ पे सैड मोमेंट करना नहीं, इट्स अ कंप्लीट सक्सेस पार्टी। तो चलो भाई, इससे पहले कि वी गेट ऑल द गेस्ट हियर ऑन द स्टेज, वी नीड टू वॉच दिस ट्रैक। एक बार एवी देखा जाए, सो लेट्स डू दिस।
Imran Hashmi with a singer who has 4 billion views, Jubin Nautiyal. Let's hear it for Lut Gaye, the chartbuster of 2020.
Come on stage. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy birthday. Do you want to take my?
You know, I was just discussing right now, we're still in shock. I'm in shock. I knew this was a very special song that will do well. But अभी तो मैंने ट्रैक करना बंद ही कर दिया है, क्योंकि रोज 10 मिलियन 15 मिलियन it's completely gone insane. और ये सब पूरी टीम की वजह से है। भूषण जी ने मुझे ये ट्रैक सुनाया था लॉकडाउन के टाइम पर, एंड आई वाज लाइक, you know, I'm waiting to shoot this. जुबिन के साथ काम कर चुका हूँ, and he's got a beautiful, such a soulful voice. Manoj, Tanishq, I think everyone has added so much value to this track, and of course then when Radhika and Vinay came into this, it just added so much value again. And of course Yukti, I don't know, Yukti is not here. Oh, she's here? Yeah. You have to make her open that bottle with her, yeah. That's become quite a... So yeah, it's just been very special. And here's to more millions and more crore views, and we'll add more to Bhushanji's bank account. Yeah. 1 billion soon? Huh? 1 billion soon?
For sure. So, that's what I called my first reaction on my show when I heard this track. I was like, what a trippy track. और उसके बाद जाके video देखा, like it's trippier. It's just amazing. What a powerful visual and song.
Yeah, it's like a masala film, no?
मजेदार.
Yeah, everything
Action
is
drama.
there in that 5 minutes. There's action, there's romance, there's angst, there's of course there's tragedy at the end. So yeah, it's all thanks to these
So what's
two
the
wonderful
raz?
people.
Every time you're there in a track, you just...
देखो, मैं इसके लिए मैं क्रेडिट नहीं लेना चाहता हूँ.
अच्छा, okay.
I just turn up. ये मुझे डायरेक्ट करते हैं. थोड़ा लिप सिंक कर लेता हूँ. मुझे इसका प्लीज क्रेडिट मत दो.
अच्छा.
All credit goes to these people.
हाँ.
I've had it easy. It's all thanks to them. So yeah.
I just want to say I'm very delighted. It's completely my favorite track. मुझे बहुत मजा आता. I'm very happy.
I'm glad.
Really
I'm glad.
well. I was
I'm
like,
glad.
I will be part of Success Party. मजे से. Okay, on that note, I want to call Zubeen Nautiyal on stage. He's been creating rage for longest, nothing new, and बहुत सारे super hit गाने हैं इनके. मेरी आशिकी, तारों का शहर, दिल चाहते हो, and मासूम चेहरा. बहुत सारे 4 billion views almost, which is very very huge, and he totally needs to be on stage completely. Give it up for Zubeen Nautiyal.
Thank you.
Zubeen, कैसा लग रहा है? मतलब सारे कितने कितने, एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन नहीं, बहुत सारे माइलस्टोन्स एक साथ आए हैं.
यार गाना ही इतना खतरनाक है. जब तक ऑनेस्टली सिंगर का एंट्री होती है गाने में, तब तक गाने में ऑलरेडी काफ़ी कुछ हो चुका होता है, काफ़ी हार्ड वर्क जा चुका होगा गाने के पीछे. सो मनोज जी एंड तनिष्क, यू गाइस हैव डन अ ब्रिलियंट जॉब सर फॉर मॉनिटरिंग दैट होल थिंग. इट्स अमेजिंग. एंड जब एमी भाई उस पे आते हैं, मतलब ही इज़ लाइक द किंग ऑफ लिप सिंक्स व्हेन ही इज़ लाइक देयर, ही इज़ लाइक ऑन द स्क्रीन. It's such a amazing experience to see him do this beautifully on the song. Happy birthday and lots of love.
Thank you.
Zubin, how do you get that शिद्दत, मतलब ये इतना पैशन, शिद्दत, जनरली इस तरह के जब भी ट्रैक्स गाने होते हैं लाइक फुल, हाउ डू यू गेट इट? क्या क्या विजुअलाइज करते हो, दिमाग में चल क्या रहा होता है?
These days I'm living in the mountains, तो हाँ visual सामने रहता है usually.
Okay.
Thank you.
I can figure a little out of your smile. Maybe you don't want to give it out more. इतने से मैं चला लूँगी. चलेगा. You're happy, excited?
I'm
I'm
very
sure.
very excited.
Obviously, absolutely.
Congratulations.
Okay, now I want to call the man, the person, of course, the person who's been creating history for the longest, and he has created a market for singles in India, creating content like no other label at the moment. पिछले मार्च से लेकर अभी तक 600 गाने, सारे के सारे सुपर हिट. बाकी सारे लेबल फिगर आउट करने की कोशिश करें कि चल क्या रहा है, हो क्या रहा है, थोड़ा सा हम क्या इंस्पिरेशन ले सकते हैं, एंड मच मोर देन दैट. लेट मी कॉल अप ऑन स्टेज द मैन हिमसेल्फ, भूषण कुमार जी. कव्या, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. व्हाट इज योर विजन? क्या चल क्या रहा है?
लुट गए चल रहा है.
ऐसे तो फिर सबको लुटना चाहिए. दिस इज अमेजिंग. ऐसे लुटने को सब तैयार है. So sir, what do you know? What's your vision for singles specifically in India? You've been turning out a lot of songs and बहुत सारा space, बहुत सारी चीजें आप create कर रहे हैं. तो what's your, not exactly letting the strategy out, but फिर भी थोड़ा सा.
The thing is, ये लॉकडाउन ने सिंगर्स के लिए बहुत एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म और एक मींस म्यूज़िक लेबल्स को स्पेशली हमें एक कंसंट्रेशन करने का आर्टिस्ट के लिए एक वक्त मिल गया. तो उस दौरान जो मैंने गाने बनाए हम लोगों ने पूरी टीम के साथ मिलके, और फिल्मों का म्यूज़िक तो आ नहीं रहा था, तो इसलिए लोगों को एंटरटेन करने के लिए आपको किसी तरीके से तो करना है. तो सिंगर्स की तो लॉटरी लग गई, तो उनके इसका लाइक हमें सिंगर्स करने के लिए आर्टिस्ट को बोलना पड़ता है, यार अभी हमारा फिल्म म्यूज़िक आ रहा है, तो आपका अभी रुक के करते हैं. 6 महीने बाद करेंगे, 1 साल बाद करेंगे. तो अभी इसके ऑल टुगेदर आई गेस कितने 10 या 12 सिंगल पूरे साल में आ गए. मीन्स इट इज़ म्यूचुअल, क्योंकि हमें भी ज़रूरत थी और इनको भी इतने सारे गाने मिल गए, और लकीली सारे गाने इसके सुपर डुपर हिट हुए. तो आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हिम कि द काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग्स वी मेड एंड देन उसने अपनी आवाज़ में किए, एंड देन लॉट ऑफ देम वी पिक्चराइज्ड ऑन हिम. एंड दिस इज nail in the coffin actually, because this is the biggest song with a combination of Zubin Nautiyal and Imran Hashmi together.
Completely.
So it is, वो कहते हैं ना, मीन्स आग और पेट्रोल का काम हुआ है, मतलब दोनों चीज़ें मिक्स होके जिस तरीके से ये लिरिक्स लिखे मनोज ने और तनिष्क ने उसको इतने अच्छी तरीके से कंपोज किया, एंड विनय राधिका ने जिस तरीके से गाने को शूट किया है, इट इज़ very good. And this is, I mean, I can proudly say this is our biggest song. Means I can't see any other song अभी तक जो इतना fast, इतने number of streams audio platforms पे और plus YouTube पे इतने सारे streams. एक मेरा भी रील है उसमें. Yes, reels पे भी. मैं 2 बार पहुंच चुकी हूँ. Radio station पे everywhere it is doing the numbers which we have never heard actually.
So when you saw the track, all three of you, this question, when you saw the track for the first time, what was your reaction? मतलब ऐसी feeling है कि ये तो बवाल हो गया है. This is going to be a bomb. Like it's going to explode.
Yeah, for sure. I was actually very happy when Vinay and Radhika gave me the pitch also. I remember it was a Zoom call और उन्होंने मुझे narration दी. तो मैंने कहा यार this is as interesting as a proper Bollywood blockbuster film, क्योंकि इसमें सब कुछ है. And then when I turned up on set, just the way they had mounted everything, just the way the look was, और बहुत काम करवाया by the way, हाँ, बहुत means overshoot किया, लेकिन eventually हमने we shot one day we shot at 6:30 in the morning, 7 in the morning, but I didn't complain because I knew that they are so passionate about it, and it was so infectious. And no one can argue with Vinay when he comes and says that, sir, ek aur ghanta. but eventually, I think both of them are fantastic. Just the visual representation of the track, of how they've put it up there,
amazing.
has complemented everything in the
Everything
song.
else, yeah.
And that's what makes it such a good watch.
True. That's true. Zubeen, you also, when you saw the track for the first time, were you like this, this is going to be hot. Super
Yeah, I
hot.
mean, I kind of couldn't wait for the film that's
Yeah.
following with it, and I would big love to Radhika and Vinay both shot it like. Acha, I never got to see the other part of it. I just got to see it when it released, so it was like way beyond what I'd imagined. Really
Totally. So
amazing.
that means it was total fun.
Yes.
Okay, now it's time to call the man जिनके शब्द हैं उसमें. And the man जिसने पिछले एक साल में back to back hits दिए बहुत सारे गाने देखते देखते there's गलिया, there is कैसे हुआ ओ हो and मेरे रश के कमर ओ मजा ही क्या बोलूं मैं I get excited about songs. Being an RJ, I think that's a side effect. And now it's time that we have him on stage and like find out ये शब्दों का पूरा मायाजाल कैसे किया गया. Please come on stage. Welcome on stage. शब्द मतलब उठी मोहब्बत and इतने सारा passionate words. Are you a die-hard romantic? Really?
I am. I'm hopelessly romantic.
Wow.
And especially
Are you
when I'm-
married?
Of course, I'm married. And is there a good news or a bad news to you?
That's great. Okay.
So yeah, it is hopelessly romantic, and it is whatever it is. I have to just tell a little anecdote. There is a poet, very famous poet, sir, Emily Dickinson. So she's a poetess. अब हम poet बोले या poetess बोले तो 150 साल पहले वो अमेरिका में रहा करती थी, लिखा करती थी. So there is a quote by her that poetry is dictation by God. तो ये मैं जब बहुत 10-12 साल पहले पढ़ा तो मैंने कहा यार ये बात सही तो है लेकिन ये फिल्मी गानों पे नहीं लागू होती है या जिस तरह का हम पॉपुलर म्यूज़िक करते हैं कमर्शियल म्यूज़िक करते हैं उसमें ऐसी पोइट्री की ज़रूरत नहीं है जो डिक्टेशन बाय गॉड हो. फिर एक दिन 7 साल पहले मैं भूषण जी से मिला और मैंने इनको लिखना शुरू किया वो दीवाना मस्ताना टाइप के जो राइम्स होते हैं रेगुलर वाले और गाने रिजेक्ट होने शुरू हुए. पहला नहीं अच्छा लगा, दूसरा नहीं अच्छा लगा. Then later on I realized कि इन्होंने पता नहीं एमिली डिकिंसन को पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा है but he lives by that rule कि unless it is a dictation from God I'm not going to say yes to these lyrics.
Okay.
So that is the reason for me and various other lyricists जो अच्छा लिखते हैं टी सीरीज के लिए और बाहर जाके पता नहीं क्या लिखते हैं तो रीज़न ये है कि हमारा अप्रूवल नहीं मिलता हमें जब तक हम कुछ बहुत अच्छा ना लिखते हैं. So that is the problem.
भाई ऐसे अप्रूवल फिर ऐसे ही मिलना चाहिए because this is how magic happens.
Yeah, this is
how
how
are you
ma-
feeling right now? Well, I'm sure you're very very happy but this huge like
I am feeling like पाँव रखना ना ज़मीं पर.
क्या बात इसमें 2 लाइनें हो ही जाए फिर तो.
या पाँव रखना ना ज़मीं पर जान रुक जा तू घड़ी भर थोड़े तारे तो बिछा दूं मैं तेरे वास्ते.
ये बात हुई ना.
तू आजमा ले मुझको यारा तू जरा सा कर इशारा दिल जला के जगमगा दूं मैं तेरे रास्ते.
उफ.
मेरे जैसा इश्क में पागल फिर मिले या ना मिले कल सोचना क्या हाथ ये दे दे मेरे हाथ में.
क्या बात प्लीज गाइस इसमें तो बनता है.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'll take my seat now.
Please be
Acha,
here.
I have to be here?
Please be here.
All right.
Of course,
We
of
need
course.
surf here.
Okay, I want to invite director duo Radhika Rao and Vinay Sapra on stage, please. Aye. Come on stage. Of course you guys are happy. Of course you guys are thrilled. That's why we are celebrating. Now I want to know one story. अभी आपने direct किया है और इतना amazing video है, इतना amazing गाना है, पूरा combination है. So your personal favorite one moment, if you can think of it, which was completely overwhelming for both of you while you were directing, and you just wanted it to be totally perfect. Like, is one of any sequence you can remember?
Well, Imran, with all his permission and with
Imran, please give the permission. We need to do. Go ahead. Okay, cool.
No, we always.
Radhika, you want the mic?
I
You want
talk
to
with the
chip in?
look.
Okay.
I talk with the look.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have that moment when Yukti, she should be arriving any moment, and she opens the bottle with the mouth and then the little bit of a like whatever trips. And then she comes to Imran sir to kind of clean it.
Yeah.
And as well, rest is all a
Imran's
story
fine.
behind.
Yeah.
But a lot of people asked us
Yeah.
one thing,
Huh.
that why didn't Imran sir go in for a kiss at that time? You know?
Okay.
So I said, well, that we.
To that I say it's not my will. It's always the directors. I'm a professional. I'm a thorough professional.
You do what
I
you're
always
asked
do
to.
what the directors tell me to do.
Yeah. Wow. Radhika, you want to say something, Share?
Well, you know, actually, this was just magic in the making. From the day we got the track, which I want to say because Vinay and I have been in the business for 20 years now. And I've never said this, but people, what Zubin said is, you don't understand the contribution of what you call A&R in the music business. People behind the scenes who work for months to okay the track, to get the lyrics. So I just want, this is Bhushanji. I mean, we all look at him as the managing director, this big businessman, but you don't understand, like, he works like a real A&R person. He's the one, actually, I think 80% of the credit should go because he just created this. And he sat through, I don't know, before lockdown to create this. I just want to say thank you, sir, for just making. I mean, like, he works on the lyrics, and the song just came to us ready-made, like, straight out. We didn't have anything. All of us standing here, we just got, he sent us this track. He says, what do you think? And he just asked, aapko kaisa laga? We just heard it in the car, and we said, super hit.
Whoa.
I mean, we just heard in
Super
that
hit.
5 seconds.
Yeah.
And so there was magic when the song came in. And then, of course, the casting and all. But I, from a girl's point of view, want to say this.
Yes.
We were on set. We are a unit full of 60% girls and 40% boys. And every time Imran sir went to do a shot, I have to say this, all the young girls, oh my God, ma'am, hum jaake button theek kar dein, ma'am, hum jaake hair theek kar. And somebody had told me that Imran sir doesn't, once he wears his costume, doesn't like to be, you know, everybody going and touching him. And I remember telling him this, so I've heard that, you know, he says, no, it's nothing. I mean, you want to correct it. So all the time he doesn't know. Each girl went and took turns to go and check his costume. And I remember the shot when Imran sir had picked Yukti up and walked down the stairs. And Yukti came back, and Yukti should be her. And they all just bounced on her and said, yaar, lucky yaar, hame bhi yaar. So, you know, every time we were doing the shooting, you can come to know by the young girls behind, you know. I mean, how they react to what is happening. And Imran sir doesn't know, but it was just shameful what was happening behind the camera. But thank God he didn't know. I think he would have just run away from all the girls just checking him out throughout those 4 days that we were shooting. So that is the reason why we kept you till 6:30, sir. It was not us. It was all those young girls.
The girls.
All the girls
All right.
saying.
You're forgiven. You're forgiven.
Rok ke rakho. Mon mein.
Well, but it's just magic. I mean, Ruben's voice, just magic. And I want to say one thing is, the man sitting here, Vinod, the last bit of magic, we remember, we were talking about the title. And we had come up with a little longish title, and Nanuji also was saying the same thing. And then the final one was, he says, nahin, it should just be Lut Gaye. So, I mean, finally at the end, so thank you, Vinod, for the wonderful title that you. So I think everywhere it was just somebody up there just.
That's how
making it
magic
happen.
happens.
Yeah.
Everything just falls in place.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Congratulations. Thank you for sharing this. Okay, Tanishq Bagchi, of course, he's not here, but a round of applause for him for this fantastic composition. And वो तो hit पे hit वैसे ही दिए जा रहे हैं, right from नाच मेरी रानी, याद पिया की, पतली कमरिया and all that. He's not okay, थोड़े health issues हैं, but yes. Now, we are going to do the cake cutting, okay? And it's Imran's birthday also. So, we got to do that. Okay, we'll take a break. I think media needs to ask question, and uske baad we'll do the Q&A. Okay.
अच्छा अच्छा पूछना